Depends on your presence and siyempre sa organizer. I assign this event to Marisa. So thank you so much, Marisa. For all the effort. Baka meron ka want to say yun lang kaya namin ibigay. Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Sabi nga naman kayo, this is the first time na nagkaroon nga tayo ng team building. And considering the first time, parang I could say na thank you everyone talaga. Yung support ng bawat branches and of course lahat ng personnel. Sobrang, alam mo yun, one of the occasion everyone na talaga. And especially also to me, kasi lahat ng erang talagang siya yung kasama ko and of course sila din nagkataon na nawala na ako. Yung mga kung ano yung mga gagawin and all, so kami may talaga again, thank you so much for everyone.
For the information at all, maagang nandito na sila Marisa and Steve and sino pa to file the stage. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope you enjoy today. You exerted the effort. Thank you so much. When you go back to our branches, don't forget your contribution. Thank you.